Long time ago, there was a bleak world filled with despair. Until one fateful day, they discovered music and uncovered a brand new world.
You know, guitars have been around for a long time. When you look at guitars, you can say, well, they don't really change a lot. But they've actually evolved and changed quite a bit. And Martin guitar, one of the key innovations that happened in the 1920s, 30s of the last century was that Martin guitar created a new bracing pattern. We work as a team, and you know, I'm the proudest when I see our team show up and see them, what they do for the company and who they are as individuals.
So most days what I do here is get custom wood out for custom guitars. We get wood in, inspect it, and then we process it to get it ready to build guitars. Behind me, what you see here is our robotic sticking machine. There are two robotic arms, one putting the sticks down and one putting the veneers on top of the stick. What this does is allows the wood to dry, air to get through it, and dry out the wood to get it down to the moisture content that what we need to process it. My favorite part of working at our guitar is to get to see the different species of wood and the different grain patterns. And I get to interact with all the dealers across the world. So when they come in and pick their wood, the excitement on their face, it just makes my day.
The most exciting thing about manufacturing here is stringing up these guitars, playing them, and having lots of fun.
My favorite part would be getting to produce a really nice finished product. For me, it's always about starting something, finishing it, and then, you know, seeing this beautiful instrument at the end.
Music is something that brings people together, and it does create relationships and friendships between people. It's a language I think everybody can speak and brings everyone together.
It's a family-oriented type place, and I don't think you find that in many other manufacturing facilities. Be able to get the music in your head and be able to create with that guitar, you become that type of person. You know, you become an artist at that point, and your time and your thought process is around that next song that you want to make using your Martin guitar.